What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वंस अगेन सारा इज़ बैक। आप सबके चेहरों पे स्माइल बिखेरने के लिए आज हम पोर्शा के शोरूम पर हैं और आपको ज़बरदस्त रिव्यू देने वाले हैं पोर्शा पैनामेरा। पोर्शा इज़ एन अमेजिंग कार, तो आखिर तक व्लॉग देखिएगा। तो चलिए आपको फ़ौरन से लेके चलती हूँ इस व्लॉग में। सो कम विद मी।
So 21 inch. 21 inch? That's right. Okay,
And it's 2021 model, right?
and can you open the trunk? Of course.
What's the coolest feature of this car?
Oh, it's got a lot of them. One of them is the big screen on the inside.
Can you let me know about for after the trunk the coolest features?
So what are this is dual?
It's a dual exhaust system.
Dual exhaust.
Yeah. It's a six-cylinder. 3.0 liter. It has 330 horsepower.
Okay, great.
Okay.
It's an automatic transmission car, and
In-
11 with more room in it. You know, you have kids?
Yeah, two boys.
Kids can sit here.
All right, then yeah, absolutely, you can fit them right in.
Oh wow.
So,
Oh, nice.
yeah.
And this is sensor control. Front.
Yeah, it has that, and then you can close it from here, the key, or the door.
Okay.
And
I have unlocked it for you if you want to come inside and check it out.
yeah, you have to tell me about the.
Let me help you out.
Oh, beautiful. So
6 and 330 horsepower.
330.
How many horsepower does the BMW have? 280?
Yeah, must be 285.
285?
Yeah.
That's where 5 series are.
Yeah.
Unless you get the V8 to 550, then
Yeah.
I just drove 8 series, 600 horsepower. M8.
nice.
Okay, now tell me the internal
You know,
features.
how fast you're looking to go, you know? You want to
Oh wow.
Oh, nice.
It's just too fast. We show you.
Oh.
Alright, so this is your ignition right over here. It's gonna be on the left side.
Ignition switch?
Exactly. So if you turn it off to the left, turn it off. It's dead. The keys are right in the center, right there. See them right there?
Yeah.
This one?
That's the key. And then to turn it on, you have to put your foot on the brake. And then twist it over to the right. One more. There you go.
Amazing.
It has the 14-way seat, so you can adjust it back and forth, up and down, and then also the front of the seat adjusts too.
So built-in Bose
Both
sound system.
has the lane dashboard. This is your climate, outside climate. This is where you can set limits, speed limits. You can set it 60 or 65. Once you go over that, it warns you. You
Okay.
don't get tickets, right?
And this is
your
the
speedometer right here, down at the bottom. See the digital one?
and RPM. This is RPM.
RPM right there. This is also speedometer.
And door information and clock.
Yeah. Right now it's down here. Once the door closed, we can see that navigation screen right there. If you click right there on that
nice.
screen. Look over there on that big screen.
Navigation map.
So both sides, right?
And then to switch gears, you see that knob right there?
Which one?
The gear shifter.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a button under there. You have to click and then pull down. Now it's in drive. Look here. It's in drive. To put it in park, the silver, but yeah, there you go. That one. That's in park.
Okay. And what's over there in this panel? We have temperature control, internal,
Exactly.
and this is the volume for the music system.
Yeah.
And does it come with Android and Apple Play?
Apple Play, no Android. Yeah, Android.
Okay. I have Apple.
Okay, Apple will work. Android will not.
And does it have any charger? Like if I put the phone and it charge automatic?
Under the armrest.
Hatna? Where?
Under the armrest.
Okay.
Under over here?
No, it's that.
There's a, that one.
This one?
Press that button.
Press.
There you go.
Okay.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Guys, this is Porsche Panamera. The starting model है ये इनका बेस मॉडल, और आप ये इसका देख सकते हैं. The coolest dashboard I have seen. It's beautiful. इसमें ये एक्सटर्नल टेम्परेचर आ रहा है, साथ हमारे उसकी स्पीड लिमिट हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, जिस पे ये वार्निंग आपको देता है. आरपीएम मीटर और डोर के ये इट्स ऑल डिजिटल डैशबोर्ड. ये आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं. इसमें ये इस टाइम इसकी गाड़ी की इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, इसका टेम्परेचर, इंजन टेम्परेचर, और साथ ये देखें, जब मैं ये देख रहा हूँ इसका टायर प्रेशर सारा इस कंट्रोल में, जी फोर्स, और ये नेविगेशन का आ गया कि इस वक्त हम कहाँ मौजूद हैं. ये पूरा ऑटो मॉल और उसका सराउंडिंग एरिया आ रहा है ये इसमें. सो डिजिटल डैशबोर्ड, वन ऑफ द ब्यूटी ऑफ पोर्श. और ये इसकी जो है ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं रूफ टॉप. लेट्स ओपन दिस अप. और आई लाइक देयर एनालॉग वॉच. इनकी एनालॉग वॉच, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल. ये इनका सिग्नेचर स्टाइल है पोर्श का. और स्टैंडर्ड बोस गियर, और इसमें हम ये देखते हैं कि ये अब यहाँ ड्राइव उसमें आ गए. 2 मोड्स हैं, स्पोर्ट्स, और ये देखिए अब ये गाड़ी के इंजन की वो भी चेंज हो गई है, वॉइस भी, और ये यहाँ से भी आपको डैशबोर्ड में भी इसका डिस्प्ले नजर आएगा. बैक टू स्पोर्ट्स, स्पोर्ट्स सेलेक्टेड, ये मुझे बता रहे. तो कम ऑन, लेट्स हैव अ वंडरफुल ड्राइव.
German cars are very nice. Oh my god.
Literally it's like 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. और इसमें ये मैनुअली आप गियर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं थ्रू दीज 2 प्लस माइनस बटन्स. और नाइस, वेरी, बहुत वाइड लग रहा है इसका इंटीरियर, लुक एंड फील. और अब देखें हम इसके स्पोर्ट्स मोड में हैं, तो लेट्स चेक इट आउट कि हम किस तरह इसको वो इसकी एक्सेलरेशन चेक कर सकते हैं. ये मेरा जो है, ये देखिए मेरा सामने डैशबोर्ड जो है, इसको फॉलो करें. और अब मैं इसको एक्सेलरेट करने लगा हूँ.
What a big Porsche is. Really, Porsche is exciting car.
Porsche is the beauty. Porsche is the beauty.